If you're working on Amazon SageMaker Studio and you got an errors data source creation field valid exception, so in this will I will be able to show us how you can able to fix this issues. It's showing the database with ARN is not authorized for this project. To authorize, add this key and value. If you go into the Glue data catalog and try to see, try to go and add the data. Maybe I can show you. So if I can go to the Glue data catalog and try to see the database there, I'm having this publisher DB. So this is your database. I don't see any option for me to go and add a tag, right? So in order for me to go and add a tag, I need to use CLI. So that's what I'm looking to do here as well. So you have to use AWS Glue tag resources, and that will help you to tag the resources what is being asked. So once you go and tag the resources here, so this is AWS Glue tag resources, you need to provide resource ARN. Thereafter you will have to provide key as an AamaonDataZoneProject, and then that will be the value. Once done, you will be able to go and able to add it, and thereafter you will be looking to go and see what tag is added to this one. So this is your publisher DB, and then this is your project, and then this is your tag. So with that, we'll go back and try to edit it and see if that fixes it, right? Save. It's updating the resources. We'll wait for it to get the resource created. I will pause the video and I will come back once it's ready. So that's all the error message. However, and then when I went ahead and kind of go and run it from here, it ran. If you see here, it ran successfully in very first attempt, and then second attempt too. But I don't see any table added, and the reason being, I need to go and add this publisher project. I need to grant access to this publisher ARN to this DB, right, from the lake formation. So I will be going into the publisher project. I will be getting this copy ARN. I will be copying the ARN. I will be going into the lake formation. Let me close this. I will be going into this publisher DB. Here I will be going to the action grant, and then I will be just typing here I got it, and thereafter I will be going and granting access to this database, right? Wait, I need to grant access to all the tables, my bad. I forgot to select the databases here. Publisher, just look at one more time. So you will be going and granting access to the publisher grant. Here you need to, from the drop down, you need to select all the tables. Yes. Once done, you will be going and selecting super. You can just select and describe, that works as well, but super will be just giving all the access. Not done, we'll be going back and to our data source and try to run one more time. So if I go here and run it and see if it's able to bring all the data. Yeah, see here, I got all the data. Now, does that help you? Hope this help you to resolve the issue you were facing, right? So thank you.